Hello friends, today we have a question from exercise 1.1. Construct a truth table for each proposition. It is 23rd question and negation of P, disjunction negation of Q is the 23rd question, and let us consider the cases of P and Q. P, Q, negation of P, negation of Q, negation of P, disjunction negation of Q. Now let's consider the cases of P and Q. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Negation of P is false, false, true, true. Negation of Q is false, true, false, true. Then disjunction of these two columns is false, true, true, true. For disjunction, one of the statement must be true, so it becomes true. If both the cases are false, then the statement will be false. Then 24th question is negation of not P, disjunction Q. P, Q, negation of P, negation of P, disjunction Q, negation of not P, disjunction Q. Let us consider all the cases. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Negation of Q is false, false, true, true. Then negation of P, disjunction Q is these two columns, true, false, true, true. And negation of the same is false, true, false, false. Then 25th question is P, Q, negation of Q, P, disjunction Q, P, disjunction Q, disjunction negation of Q. That is, all the cases are true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Negation of Q is false, true, false, true. And disjunction of these two are, P and Q is true, 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 false. And disjunction of P, disjunction Q and negation of Q is true, 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 true. Here all the cases are true, hence it is a tautology. Then next question is 26th question. P, Q, R, Q conjunction R, P conjunction Q conjunction R. Here let us consider all the cases of P, Q and R. True, 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 false, true, false, true, false, true, true, false, false, true, true, false, 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 true, false, 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 false. Here there are 8 cases. Next, P conjunction R is Q conjunction R is true, false, false, true, false, 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 false. And the conjunction of these two columns is P and Q in the conjunction RS. First case is true, second false, 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 false. Okay. Here only one case is true, all other cases are false. That's all. Thank you.